Hey everyone, how are you today? Just wanted to update everybody on a new option that Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Verani Realty has for our home sellers. Right now, question always is, I'd love to sell my home, but what am I going to do after? Or, I found this home, but I can't, sell mine for a while, and I don't want to deal with contingencies and on purchase, on sale, and all of that. So we have a program that will help you to get cash for your home, either very quickly or with some time in between. Cash is king in this market. As we know, so many homes are being sold for cash. So wouldn't it be nice if you have a lot of equity in your house to get that cash out right away rather than having to put your house on the market, do the showings, do the open houses, all of that. So we have now the QuickBuy program that we're able to do. So there's 3 different options for that, and it will eliminate the worry and uncertainty of selling your home. Okay, so it's very convenient. So we have the QuickBuy immediate offer. So this is where you get a cash offer in your house within 24 to 48 hours. And then you can close within 2 days, 2 weeks, till 2 months. So 14 days to 2 months to close to get that cash out. Okay. The other one is a QuickBuy lock program where you can get an offer, a cash offer on your home, and hold on to that rate for 150 days while you try to sell your home on the regular retail route. Okay. This assures that you do have an offer in hand. If you do need to jump on a house that you see, then you can get that cash out right away. That is helpful if you know you're going to be looking for a house, and you don't want to have to deal with that time frame of closing at the right date, so both of my houses close at the same time. Again, if you want that cash to use for that new purchase. And then we have the QuickBuy lease back, which is super helpful because what that does is if you're going to be looking for a house anyway, but you just haven't found it yet and you need a little bit more extra time, you can get the cash for your home with QuickBuy purchasing it, but able to lease back that property and stay in your home for a couple days, a month, until you're able to close on that next house. So again, it's the QuickBuy program. Lots of pros for it. If you have any questions about it, give me a call, email me, text me, whatever, and I'll answer those questions for you. But again, another option for home sellers to get cash pretty quickly for your house. Okay, there are some restrictions. It can't be a multifamily. It has to be in good sellable condition, so it's not for a fixer-upper, or sometimes we call ugly houses. It's not that kind of a program. It's that a house that can be moved into, a house that would be sold rather quickly. But again, it saves you the trouble if you don't want to do the staging and clearing out and all of that stuff to prepare your house for showings and for open houses. Is a perfect opportunity. Okay, so give me a call, Angela Keefe with BHHS Verani Realty, 603-557-0400. Have a great day.